If you want to reduce the number of cables in your life, wireless charging is a very good thing. And it's available on the Nexo for Qi-enabled mobile phones. Check with the manufacturer of your phone to see if it is Qi-enabled. The wireless charging pad is located underneath the center console. Clear all other items from the pad and place your phone at its center. You may need to remove your phone cover first. Charging will only take place when all of the Nexo's doors are closed and the vehicle is on. When the phone is charging, the pad's indicator light will be orange. When complete, the light will turn green. Then you can remove your phone or wait to pick it up when you leave your vehicle.